Welcome back, beautiful, amazing hikers. This is my first view in Vermont. And it's the Powerlines. It's a beautiful day, beautiful weather. Trail's all right. It's difficult, but it's all right. They said Vermont. Well, I'll tell you what, man. They weren't lying. You know what? I'm gonna take a trot over here. What the hell? Why not? I'm trying to make it 2 shelters up. Maybe we can get a little bit better view of the other side going down the valley, but that's what I thought. I was walking a ridge line. All right, cool. All right, we're gonna sit down for a minute because I got a rock in my shoe. But yeah, this is so far so good. Woo! Doing about, I think, 14, maybe 15 miles today. And what they said about Vermont, it's true. As soon as I got into Vermont, mud, lots of it. It's all over the back of my leg. It's all over my sock, all over the shoes. I'd like to take a moment to thank God, my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. You know, the news that about Trump, you guys all know now. That man has God's protection. Things are going to get better real fast. Things are going to change for the better. Finally, you know. I'm excited. Very excited about the future. If you're not familiar with Reverend Kim Clement, you definitely want to YouTube him. His predictions about Trump have kept me going through these very, very dark years when it seems like everything was falling apart, going wrong. So I'm listening to right now Tenant Media on YouTube. They're at the RNC. It's the final day. Trump's going to make his first speech, and he's going to start, he's going to be talking a lot more about God, probably tonight, but definitely in the future, a lot more. Well, I've got about a little over 3 miles to get to a shelter area for the night where there'll be a nice tent spot. I'm gonna have to throw a bear bag, but I get to enjoy a nice sub from Subway, which I packed out with me. And I got a couple PBRs. And after I go through all that, backpack will be significantly lighter tomorrow. That's the view in Vermont.